Say hello.
No.
Who are we saying hello to? I don't see
Everybody.
What
The
is that
YouTube
stuff up there
world.
on the screen?
Notifications. Are they bothering you?
Yeah.
Nobody else can see them except you.
And it bothers me.
Okay, are you okay now?
I don't know. I'm getting kind of close. Oh, Grandma Cooties! Grandma Cooties! All right.
Happy Thanksgiving.
It ain't Thanksgiving.
Well, it is in the States.
Well, we ain't in the States.
We already had Thanksgiving a month and a half ago.
Yep.
So, but we're here to do the Thanksgiving challenge because Montana, Miss Nisi from Freehandly Made, challenged us. And
Way to go, Montana.
Dave loves challenges.
God. I'm not even part of this group.
You are. You're
No.
my group.
No.
You're part of Lorrie's world.
No, I'm Lorrie's slave, maybe.
Oh, I was part of Lorrie's world. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. There's only 8 questions.
Oh, my God.
What is your favorite Thanksgiving side dish?
Cranberries.
Stuffing. My stuffing. My stuffing that I make. What's your favorite?
Chocolate ice cream.
That's not a Thanksgiving
Sure
side
it is
dish.
if you want it to be.
Why not?
Okay, next. What is your favorite Thanksgiving dessert?
Chocolate ice cream.
Pumpkin pie.
Yeah, I guess pumpkin pie. I like pumpkin pie. I make mine with eggnog. So.
Oh, God.
Let's put the recipe up.
No, it's not. What is your favorite, or what is your ideal Thanksgiving outfit?
This. Whatever's comfortable.
What the heck?
Blue
These people,
jeans.
do they get all dressed up and stuff?
Some people do.
What, they get dressed up like the Pilgrims or
Some
like
people
Native
do.
Americans or what?
What's your favorite?
I just, whatever clothes I put on. How's that?
I like sweats or stretchy pants. That's all I ever wear anymore. So
Me too. I got stuff in my closet that's been sitting there for 2 years. I haven't put it on. I never wear it.
what is your least favorite Thanksgiving side dish?
Brussels sprouts.
Who has Brussels sprouts?
Some people.
I've never been had Brussels sprouts.
How about you, honey?
Cranberries.
My least favorite is probably sweet potatoes.
What?
Especially when they put marshmallows on them.
What? This is a person that dries the suckers and eats
Marshmallows.
them like candy.
The marshmallows.
The marshmallows, yeah.
I like marshmallows.
But not mixed with
Not mixed with sweet potatoes.
potatoes. That's one of those things where food is touching food. And she can't eat it.
Because it's touching.
So we're gonna get rid of the good stuff and we're gonna eat all the sugar,
Yeah.
right?
Right. Okay, next.
That's
What do you love most about Thanksgiving?
You
not a thing.
You. What do you mean, not a thing?
and you.
Who's you?
And you.
You and you.
You got a pet lamb or something? I love you. Here, where is
I
he?
love you too.
What?
Favorite thing?
About Thanksgiving?
Yes.
said.
What do you love the
You
most?
just said he loves you the most.
No, you
Thank-
said that.
No,
He
she
said
said
that.
you.
Hmm.
I thought she was talking about her pet sheep.
Okay, you didn't say anything.
Yes, he did. He said, "I love you," and he looked at you
Yeah.
when he
So
said
there.
that.
Okay.
How's that?
I saw him. I'm a witness.
What do you enjoy doing after Thanksgiving?
Sleeping. Well, Thanksgiving. You didn't say what do you enjoy doing after Thanksgiving dinner. You said what do you enjoy doing after Thanksgiving.
Oh, that's all it says.
It's
It doesn't say
nighttime.
anything about dinner. It just
Usually,
says Thanksgiving.
it's usually nighttime by then,
After Thanksgiving,
and
it's over with. Hoo-hoo.
I know.
That's what
So you
Dave
go to
likes.
sleep,
That's what. No, well, I'm saying I'm thinking of the next day.
sleeping or leftovers.
Oh, okay. right, sleeping.
Or both.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your favorite Thanksgiving memory?
Oh, I don't got any.
You don't got any.
I don't.
I do.
Let's hear it.
My folks used to have a family, friends of ours, that had two sons the same age as my brothers. Of course, little sister was left out of all of this. But anyway, they used to come over every Thanksgiving, or we'd spend Thanksgiving together and Christmas together. And they were a nice family.
Is this a long story?
Well, one time.
My favorite Thanksgiving memory was, I don't know, about 10 years ago or so, and my mom was with us, and my dad got stuck in Oregon
Oh, that was
on
fun.
his trip south, and so he had to stay for Thanksgiving,
He got
and
snowed
so
in.
he got snowed in, and so I had both my mother and my father in the same house.
Stepfather, too.
Oh yeah, and my stepfather.
Yeah.
In the same house at Thanksgiving. We went to a beach house, remember?
Kind of.
Did it in the beach house. And that was fun. That was a nice grown-up memory. That was a grown-up. Okay, last question.
When did that happen?
What, that I grew up?
Yeah. I never noticed.
It really still hasn't happened.
That's what I was thinking. Yes, okay.
Okay, last question. What are you thankful for?
I just told you.
Just napping and eating leftovers.
No, you. I'm thankful for you and you. Who else would have taken me in? Good grief. I have to be thankful for that or you'll kick me out again.
Again?
Again?
I know. When was the last time?
What's yours, honey? What are you thankful for?
That I get up every day, I guess. Sometimes I'm not thankful for that.
Greeting the day.
What?
Greeting the day.
Greeting the day. Yeah, that's my joy right there. The greeting the day. I get up. I clean the cat box. I feed the cat. I take the garbage out. And this is all an hour's worth of work. Put the dishes away. Finish cleaning the dishes.
And you're thankful for that.
And I'm just thankful for that.
Every day.
Every day.
I'm thankful.
I don't even get coffee before I get that stuff I have to do.
Well, you're going to have to change that.
Oh, yeah, like who's going to get up and do it?
You can have coffee first and then do all your chores.
Yeah, I agree with Mom. You could have coffee first.
Your mom gets up, sits in her chair in her desk there, and that's all she does. I'm out there banging around, cleaning and all this stuff.
Well, I'm
You think
staying out of your way.
Does she move? No, won't even come out and help feed the cat.
I
Or
stay
not.
out of your way because I've gotten bawled out before. When
Well,
I
if you
come in
do
there.
it right, it'd be okay.
Yeah, we have
Believe it or not, I'm thankful for these two.
Right.
Because they make me laugh every single day.
Well, not everybody has a slave.
Well, everybody should.
You
I
should be
highly
thankful.
recommend it.
I was going to say, you should be thankful that you have a slave.
I'm very thankful for my husband.
No, you don't spell it that way. You don't spell it with an H. husband.
Oh, slaveman?
Slaveman, yeah, there you go. It's my slave.
I'm very thankful for you, and I'm thankful for God's grace and the love of Jesus.
That's good things to be thankful for. Now can we quit?
Yeah, we can. Thank you, everybody, for coming and hanging out, watching us answer these Thanksgiving questions.
Who thought this up?
I don't know, but Nisi challenged us.
Nisi?
We love you all. We hope you have a fantastic Thanksgiving. Say goodbye, honey.
Goodbye, honey.
Goodbye, honey.
Say goodbye, Mom.
Goodbye, Mom.
Say goodbye to your you.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, you.
Bye, you.